rice, often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, is a whole grain that has gained immense popularity due to its health benefits. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its outer layers, namely the bran and germ, making it a nutrient-rich choice. In this discussion, we will delve into the health benefits, pros, and cons of incorporating brown rice into your diet. Health benefits of brown rice. Rich in nutrients. Brown rice is abundant in essential nutrients such as fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and selenium. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining overall health, including energy metabolism and immune function. High in fiber. The fiber content in brown rice aids in digestion, promotes bowel regularity, and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. This can be especially beneficial for those managing their weight. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Brown rice has a lower glycemic index compared to white rice, resulting in a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can assist in managing blood sugar levels, making it a favorable choice for individuals with diabetes. Heart health. Studies suggest that consuming brown rice may lower the risk of heart disease due to its ability to reduce cholesterol levels and blood pressure. The fiber and beneficial compounds in brown rice support a healthy cardiovascular system. Weight management. The fiber content in brown rice provides a sense of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. It can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet aimed at weight management. Antioxidant properties. Brown rice contains antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants contribute to cell protection and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Pros and cons of brown rice. Pros. Nutrient density. Brown rice is packed with essential nutrients, providing a higher nutritional value compared to its white rice counterpart. Digestive health. The fiber in brown rice supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and maintains gut health. Long-term health benefits. Regular consumption of brown rice is associated with a reduced risk of various chronic diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Cons. Longer cooking time. Brown rice generally takes longer to cook compared to white rice due to its intact bran layer, requiring more time in water. Potential arsenic content. Brown rice may contain trace amounts of arsenic, a toxic element found in soil and water. It's essential to moderate consumption, especially in sensitive groups. Texture and taste. Brown rice has a slightly chewier texture and a nuttier taste due to its intact bran layer, while white rice has a softer texture and a milder taste. In the battle of white rice versus brown rice, the scales tip towards brown rice for its superior nutritional profile, higher fiber content, and numerous health benefits. Opting for brown rice over white rice is a step towards a healthier diet and lifestyle, ensuring you receive essential nutrients and promote overall well-being. Remember to like and subscribe for more insightful discussions on healthy choices.